Hey everyone, welcome back to IMH Studio. Today my client is getting a move-up service on some microbead individual strand hair extensions. So I'm showing you step by step how I'm doing row by row. I'm putting about 100 grams total in her entire head, but in this section I just wanted to show you what it's like as we build you out. With the fitting service, we actually just take our time and see where these beads should lie, where you get the most natural effect and also the most versatility. Now, she has been taking really good care of her hair using Olaplex. I'm so pleased because it's just, her install is going so flawlessly, and I know it's because she has been really taking care of her natural hair in between times that we've seen each other. So here you go. I think this is about 5 rows at this point on one side, and this is one side completed. And as you can see, it's a very, very nice blend. It's so great when you take care of your natural hair. It helps with blending in hair extensions, and I highly, highly suggest Olaplex, especially for those that wear blonde hair extensions. So there you can see, you really can't see any beads. You can't see anything. All right, now I've done her other side here and built her out. She likes to part her hair down the middle and wear it to the side, so I left some space in between, and here is the finished result. She loves a blunt cut at the bottom, and yeah, absolutely flawless. Let's see what's under the hood, if you can see it. Oh, there they are. If you're interested in having this service done for yourself, please book a consult at installmyhairextensions.com or give us a call, 608-119910.